At this point you can see I'm putting together the body. We've got 4-way unions, and then each individual piece in between is 5 inches long. Total of about 26 inches total. Okay, there's the body assembled with the rib cage. Each of these pieces are 5 inches long, and each of these were cut at 5 inches long. I've cut these at 7.5 inches long, and they're going to go in here and up here and at the bottom for the hips and the shoulders, and then we'll add elbows and legs and arms to those. Alright, now you can see it starting to take shape. We got the arms on. I cut each one of these pieces 12 inches long for what I'm doing, and we have the elbow and a 45 for the arms, and then we're going to do the same thing with the legs. We're going to cut those and put those in and use a 45 for the knees, and we'll cut those and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, here's a fully assembled piece without the head. I'm going to add another pipe here and do the head, and I used again 16 inches here for each leg and 16 inches here and here for each leg, and then I chose a 45 and 90 for how I'm going to position this guy. I added another 12-inch piece coming out of the top for the neck, and I'm just going to fashion a mask to the top of that. Some people use a milk jug or a bleach bottle, but I'm going to actually add a mask to it, so I'll add that later when I put it out in the yard.